Today, I'm going to teach you guys how to play Breach. Or rather, I'm not going to teach you how to play Breach, but dCop is going to teach you how to play Breach because, oh my gosh, I was watching Equinox play this game, and his Breach is absolutely freaking nuts. Now, this isn't really the standard that I've seen for most Breaches, although this is how I kind of feel like Breach should probably be played, and this is how I kind of play it myself. I think that this works excellent within a team environment. If you're playing with a group of people who you feel like you're executing strats very well, this is going to work perfectly. Now, the way that dCop has been playing Breach is not very, like, he's not engage heavy. A lot of people feel like Breach is like a duelist in some sort of way, and they feel like because he can flash, he's supposed to run in with this flash. No, the way that dCop plays Breach is he's the most oppressive dude on the planet, and he just overwhelms the enemies with his utility, just throwing it out, making sure that his teammates are not going to be seen at all or contested on their pushes. And I really had to showcase this after watching round after round after round of this guy. He is incredible. These are going to be games that took place between Equinox and T1. If you guys watched the video yesterday, we were talking a little bit of how T1 was playing this matchup very well. Today we're going to be talking about how Equinox played this game very well. Unfortunately, T1 is going to end up clutching out the series, but oh my gosh, this was just fun to watch, so I had to show this to you guys. All right, this first round here, you're going to see Breach is going to be coming up here. He's actually going to grab the ult orb and showers, and they're going to start and execute onto A. This is the strat that they ran actually twice throughout the game, and I have both of those rounds to showcase just kind of how these play out. I think that this is a good strat. I like the direction of the Breach ulti right here. Notice the Raze sitting right up here. I love the way that they utilize this ulti and how just struggle busting it this Raze is going to be when they do actually execute this strat. So you notice the Sova drone coming in short, just getting a little bit of info before they decide to go in, and now here's the Breach ulti coming in. Does hit the Raze. They probably hear her fall down. If they don't hear her, they're going to hear her now because she's going to have to satchel back up. They probably hear that satchel here. Notice the flashes coming out here. I'm going to rewind that just a little bit just to showcase the amount of utility he's throwing out here. Here's the ultimate. Here's the first flash onto backup truck that hits the Omen. Here's the E to deal with the C ability. There's another flash. He's going to use another flash on truck to flash anybody backside. You see that Omen running around back there, dude? Look at this guy. Look at this guy. He's just running around. He's full blind, dude. He's full blind, just running around. I don't know, dude. This Breach is so oppressive. I love it. I love the way this Breach is used right here. They kill the Raze handedly. Super easy. Notice how he didn't try to force himself out of showers, running in, throwing flashes. He was just sitting in showers, throwing utility at these guys. There was no chance they were going to see anything. There's no chance they're defending this site against this. Now they're going to have to play for a retake. You'll notice dCop playing over here in hookah, but it's just not going to work out for them. Unfortunately, I had to clip this, and I don't have the rest of the clip, but just trust me, they do end up winning that round. I have another round to showcase here just because I think this use of Breach utility is just so phenomenal.
He's comfortable.
This next time you're going to notice they're going to be pushing in over here on B. I wanted to showcase this combo that you can use right here. Flash his elbow. He's going to use his E, and then he's going to use his C ability right here. This actually isn't going to pick up a kill right here. However, if you didn't know this, you can actually use Breach's concussion and then follow it up with his what's it called? Aftershock, and it'll kill people if they were hit by the concussion and they're close to the wall. They actually can't get out of it, which is really funny actually. You use this. But anyway, Breach gonna keep running. He's still on site. He's out of utility now at this point, but he's just making his way onto site. He's gonna play up on top of the box, actually. I hate when people do this to me, when they play on top of the box and they're in CT. Enemy Breach ulti is gonna come in. And you'll notice they fall back to Octagon together. They're playing this together as much as they can. Cypher's also in hookah. This aftershock's gonna be used. Breach alone. dCop here again. They're gonna use that flashbang coming in. And unfortunately, Equinox isn't actually going to end up winning this round, but I just really wanted to showcase how he plays this round. Just tapping in there, finds the Cypher, knows that somebody's going to be watching for him, sprays into the smoke, does find the kill, and here comes the concussion. He hits this concussion. That Sova's concussed, and notice the way he plays around this corner. Unfortunately, he doesn't actually get this win, but I think he plays this as well as he could have right here. He's just trying to strafe. He's at 14 HP. He knows if he gets tagged once he's dead. He's just trying to look for the headshot here, trying to stall for as much time as he can. But unfortunately, bomb is halved. They're going to get this defuse here. I think dCop played this incredibly well. Just unfortunately not well enough, but But that is okay because we have another round, boys. Okay, we're going to be going into this round. Check out this baby.
The frenzy that pops the Blade Storm. And now
this is going to be another round running the same strat. They're going to take Showers control here, and you'll notice dCop is saying, give me that orb, baby. He's going to be running all the way around to Showers, picking up this orb once again. Going to be doing another execute out of A here as he picks up this orb. Notice the Jet's pushed up. Omen's going to go for the ulti over here in Heaven. Excellent ulti. I love ulting up there as Omen. And here comes the Breach ulti in. And they are just executing this take right here. This one's not going to go as smooth as the last one. Notice how Jet's going to push in here. Mina actually gets picked off by an incredible flick by AZK. Just not something that you can really expect, but and this is going to be left up to a 1v1 from DXN as he's going to even this out. Finds the Cypher, has the spike. He's going to double back to B here. And I love the way that he plays this as well. Notice how he's going to jump onto site. He actually passes 2 tripwires here. I believe this is played on the last patch. So the tripwires that he passes, he's pretty lucky to get through. And he's going to shoot the dart here. Gets spotted. He's going to back up towards the tripwires. Not what you expect from a player, right? Goes towards the tripwires, and he's going to pick up that kill there. Just showcase this one more time. What a good play, dude. Just playing it so well. And then lastly, I have one more round from Equinox. They're going to be doing an execute onto A site. You'll notice Mina actually gets in here. Does get a pick. Luckily, down to 33 HP. Probably not something that's later likely. Breach concussion comes in. Actually hits Brax right there. So Brax doesn't end up getting another trade. Looks like he did pick up one, luckily. But for the most part, Mina's going to be taken down to 33 HP here. And this is going to be T1 trying to come in for a retake right now. It's going to be a tough retake. I love the triple up in U-Haul right here. You're going to see the Sova sitting back there. Mina's at 1 HP, and then you'll have the Breach from dCop, actually. And then you have the Omen over here in Showers, just playing a different position. It's nice to have the different vantage point. This Omen could be an incredibly clutch player within this round. Mina's going to get taken out by a grenade from Skadoodle. Notice this concussion that comes in here, actually. That would have hit the Sova right here, but I wanted to really point out how he plays this bomb plan here. Now you might be thinking, okay, King, he just flashed it, right? Like, oh, what's the big deal? The thing I really like about this flash is he actually doesn't wait for Skadoodle to tag the bomb. He hears Skadoodle running up and actually goes for the flash first. So you notice how Skadoodle goes for the bomb, but he's actually looking directly at the flash when he does this. And the reason I think that this is really cool is because if Skadoodle actually runs up and taps the bomb here, he's going to be a lot more prepared to look away from this flash. Might even be expecting the flash. But because he doesn't wait for him to tag the bomb, because he actually uses it as he hears him running up, he hits him with the flash. It actually makes it a lot easier. Now, Skadoodle's in a 1v3. He's probably not likely to win this anyway, but just clean plays all around from dCop. This entire series, it was really fun to watch him. I don't really get to see a lot of Breach players all that often. I don't see them picked very often. He's been picked a lot more in Pro recently. I do like watching my boy GMD. I like watching AZK play a little bit of Breach, but dCop I think is my new favorite Breach man, and I'm gonna keep an eye on him in the future tournaments. So really, best of wishes to Equinox. I don't think that they, I think they have to play through another qualifier now. I'm still not 100% sure how these tournaments work, but if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel down below. I've been saying this every video, but we're so close to 30,000. I think something like 30% of the people who watch these videos actually aren't subbed to the channel, so if you could help me out, I really do appreciate it. Other than that, check us out on Twitch. We stream pretty frequently nowadays, so we're playing some customs today, so yeah, if you guys are looking forward to that, I appreciate you. Thanks for watching the video. I will see you next time.